Hey kids! Yeah, you guessed it right. We are gonna learn about flamingos today. I know you guys love flamingos. Let's jump into the book and know more about flamingos. Come on kids! Zooming in! Flamingos. Flamingos nest in huge, noisy colonies consisting of many thousands of birds. These colorful birds are found in the tropics and subtropics. Their large nests are spaced so each roosting bird cannot quite reach its neighbor. A tactic that helps prevent pecking. Aww. Okay, can you see the nests? I hope you guys see the nests. Yeah, awesome, right? Yeah. I can sleep on one leg. That's awesome, Flamingo. Flamingos will often stand on one leg. It is thought that this helps to lessen the amount of heat lost through the legs and feet. Oh, that's nice. Okay, there is an info down. Flamingos make their nest from flattened cones of mud, and a colony will lay eggs within the same few days. After a week or so, the chicks will join the large nurseries. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, let's see about lesser flamingo. It lives up to 33 years. The lifespan of this lesser flamingo is 33 years and it's almost an endangered list. They live in WC and Southern Africa. Okay then, this is the smallest flamingo, but it is also the most numerous. Like all flamingos, it likes company. Some colonies contain more than 1 million birds. It feeds at dusk and after dark. That's nice. An unusual bird. Flamingos wade in shallow water to feed, using their feet to stir up the muddy bottom. They feed with their head almost upside down, sweeping their specialized bill from side to side to filter out food particles. Large flamingos feed on crustaceans, worms, and mollusks. Some flamingos feed on microscopic algae. Oh wow, really? That's awesome. Hey kids, do you know why the flamingos are most beautiful and pinky? You wanna know? Come on, let's read this then. Why so pink? Flamingos get their pink color from pigments in the food they eat. The pigment is made by algae, which are microscopic plant-like organisms. These are swallowed by the flamingos, or they reach the bird after the flamingo eats brine shrimp that have fed on the algae. Ah, it's a mini food chain. Oh my god, look. It's a brine shrimp which have already fed on the algae. Wow, that's so nice. This makes the flamingo pink in color. So cute. Zooming out. I hope you guys like the flamingos. Did we learn more about flamingos? Hope you guys did. Bye-bye.